Hi, my name is Joshua Corin, and I've written, let's see, seven novels so far. Yes, my seventh novel was just published by Random House a few weeks ago, actually.
Joshua, I see that you're teaching genre. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure, absolutely. Genre is a weird thing. In many ways, it's artificial. In many ways, genre is defined more by the reader than the writer, and always has been. Genre is a 20th century invention for the most part. That said, it's important as writers to know a reader's expectations, especially when it comes to genre. For example, if a reader believes that they're going to be reading a romance, it is the writer's job to provide a love story. When a writer sits down to write something, he or she needs to know the rules of the genre, the tropes of the genre, and so that's some of what we'll be going over: the rules and tropes of genre, and what we need to know, and then once we know them, how to break them.
Thank you. Joshua, why should someone come to a writers' conference?
I think that writers' conferences are a wonderful way not only to meet other people who are writers, and all writers tend to be kind of a species of our own. We all work solitary jobs. It's just us and the keyboard.